Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to share a swap that I'm in on Facebook. The group that I'm in is Junk Journals with Penny, and this month I joined the Snippet Strip swap. Um, I'm not very good with the snippets, but I wanted to try it. You could do either paper or fabric, and I chose to do one of each because you have to do two. It had to be at least 8.5 inches long and 1 to 2 inches wide. I mean, thick or whatever. So let me show you my first snippet. So I used burlap trim that my friend sent me in our Christmas swap, and then I added some lace to the background. And I guess I kind of made this one really shabby purple. So my partner's favorite color is purple, and I took that for inspiration. I added some trim in the background from Hobby Lobby. I think it was the pastel trim pack that you would get. I added some flowers. These are applique flowers and ribbon roses, a felt bird that I've had in my stash forever. This is from Michael's. It's so old. Some pearls, some buttons with grommet pins. Here's a stick pin I added. And I just kind of repeated it all up and down. So I thought it came out really pretty and shabby. So that is the first one. And this one is a little bit longer than what was required. I hope that's okay. Um, and then I did a paper one for my partner. I cut out 110-pound cardstock. I inked it up with Distress ink. I added some book pages in the background. Here's a ribbon, just a purple ribbon. I added some doilies in the back. I took a doily and I cut it in half and I added it to the strip. I did little envelopes with my mini envelope maker. I distressed the edges. I added a ticket. I made some bows and added a pearl. Here's a button in the center. I think these came out really, really cute and adorable. And I hope my partner likes it. So here is my snippet strip swap ready to go out and be mailed to my partner. So I want to thank everybody for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And yeah, so have a great week, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.